In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail in Outlook. We'll walk through the exact steps and cover a few tips so everything syncs smoothly the first time. Start in Gmail. Click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings, then choose See All Settings. Go to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab and look for the IMAP Access section. Make sure IMAP is enabled. IMAP is what lets Outlook mirror your Gmail mailbox across devices, so folders, labels, read or unread status, and sent items stay consistent everywhere. If IMAP is disabled, Outlook won't be able to sync your messages properly. Save changes if you turned it on. Now move to Outlook. If you're using Classic Outlook for Windows, go to File and select Add Account. If you're using the new Outlook experience, click the Settings gear, choose Accounts, then Add Account. This opens the account setup flow that connects Outlook to your Google account using Secure Sign-In. Enter your full Gmail address, including the @gmail.com part, and click Connect or Continue. If you use a Google Workspace address from work or school, enter the full address for that as well. Outlook will open a browser window or embedded prompt to sign in securely. When the Google Sign-In window appears, enter your Gmail password. If you have two-step verification enabled, approve the prompt on your device or enter your verification code. This secure OAuth sign-in means you don't have to store a separate app password in Outlook. Google handles the authentication directly. Next, you'll see a permission screen from Google asking you to allow Microsoft apps and services to access your mail and possibly related items like contacts and calendar. Review the permissions, then click Allow, and then Done. Granting these permissions enables Outlook to read and send mail, sync folders, and keep your mailbox up to date. Outlook may prompt you to restart. Go ahead and close and reopen the app if asked. After it relaunches, you'll see your Gmail account appear in the folder pane. Give it a moment to complete the first sync. Large mailboxes may take a little longer. Your Gmail labels will show as folders, and new mail will appear in the inbox as it arrives. You can expand folders, search your mail, and start sending messages right away from your Gmail address within Outlook. That's it. Thanks for watching.